Our home in the universe is far bigger than just planet Earth. It's an entire system, a single star and everything held captive by its gravity, the sun, 8 planets, hundreds of moons, and countless rocks, comets, and icy worlds. It is breathtakingly vast. So let's take a tour of our solar system, from its blazing heart all the way to its frozen edge. At the very center sits the sun, a colossal ball of glowing gas. It is so enormous that it holds more than 99% of all the mass in the entire solar system. Its immense gravity is the invisible anchor that keeps every planet locked in orbit, and its light and warmth make life on Earth possible. Closest to the sun are the 4 rocky planets. There's scorched little Mercury, then Venus, wrapped in thick, toxic clouds hotter than an oven. Next comes our own blue Earth, and then rusty red Mars. These inner worlds are small, dense, and solid, with real ground you could actually stand on. Our own Earth is, as far as we know, the only world bursting with life, thanks to liquid water and a breathable atmosphere. And circling it is the Moon. It's a satellite so large compared to its planet that its gravity steadies Earth's tilt and gently pulls our oceans into the rhythm of the tides. Beyond Mars, we cross a vast ring of leftover rubble called the asteroid belt. It's made of millions of rocky chunks, from tiny pebbles to objects hundreds of miles wide, that never managed to clump together into a planet. They drift in a huge band, marking the boundary to the outer solar system. Now we reach the giants. First, mighty Jupiter, the king of the planets. It's so enormous that every other planet could fit inside it, and it churns with a storm bigger than the entire Earth. Next glides Saturn, famous for its dazzling rings of ice and rock. Both are gigantic balls of gas with no solid surface at all. Farther still spin the 2 ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. These are frigid, faintly blue worlds made of gas and icy slush, lashed by some of the fastest winds in the solar system. They orbit so incredibly far away that the sun looks like little more than a bright star, and daylight there is dim and cold. And the planets are not alone. They're orbited by more than 200 moons, and some are astonishing worlds in their own right. There's Io, the most volcanic place in the solar system. Europa, hiding a vast ocean beneath a shell of ice. And Titan, with rivers and lakes of liquid methane under an orange sky. Past Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a distant ring of frozen worlds that includes Pluto, and beyond even that, a faint shell of icy comets. The scale out here is almost impossible to grasp. Sunlight takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth, but hours to crawl all the way out to these lonely, frozen edges of our system. So that is our solar system, a tiny, beautiful island of worlds, the sun, the planets, their moons, and a swarm of icy wanderers, all dancing together around a single star, bound by gravity in one quiet corner of a vast galaxy. And remarkably, we have only just begun to explore it. And if there's a science or space topic you want explored next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.